section is a little bit about our outdoor kitchens and hardscapes and what to expect over time, the operation, and those type of things. We've got a pretty awesome outdoor kitchen setup here. Spend this time to go through with your superintendent what we've installed for you. We will show you how to operate the barbecue, turn on the lights, turn on the fixtures, turn on the grill. In this project we have a sink, we have an asado style grill, doors and access panels. This is the time to really get to know your outdoor kitchen, your countertops, the electric, the gas shutoffs, things like that. Anything we've done on the hardscape and masonry side, we'll go through with you and make sure you know how to operate it. So let's talk about stucco and hardscapes. In this project we've got masonry work with stucco on top. And over time, what you're going to see with block work and stucco is you can see some hairline cracks, you can see some fading of the paint. We recommend painting usually after 2 years or so, and depending on the sun exposure, every 2 to 3 years. When you repaint, you can actually fill in some of these hairline cracks that may occur over time with silicone and paint over them, and they virtually disappear. So we do have a 2-year warranty on all of our hardscapes and major cracking. When we say cracking, cracks have to be in concrete or stucco. They have to start to separate. That means that you've got movement and that there's some sort of failure. Stress cracks or shrinkage cracks in concrete, these are not warranty issues. We can touch them up, we can silicone them on concrete patios. It's really tough because a lot of times the repair looks worse than the crack. So again, it's a little bit about the stucco work, concrete cracking, and what to expect over time.